What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing a taillight overlay install. So I got these overlays from Premium Auto Styling. They didn't have them at any other website, so I got some for the back and I'll show you how to do it, so bear with me. Should be pretty simple. They cut it pretty good, so here we go. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I tucked it all on the side here. Make sure on the top here it likes to crease because of the bends. So make sure you don't overstretch it, just let the material relax. The sun is helping me, so and it's kind of cold, so it's perfect combination. So then lay it out right here. Make sure it's good, and then I'm just gonna finish laying it, squeegeeing it out softly, and then apply some heat, and that's it. Now on to the other half. Alright, so just finished up. I'm just finished laying it here. And then I'm cleaning it up, so that's what it looks like. Man, that looks good. I'm gonna keep playing with it.
That's what she said?
Till it lays perfectly. I'll apply some heat, then do the other side. Alright, so just finished up here. Turn the car around so the sun can hit the side too. So that's what it looks like. So it's all done. So one more touch. Have to represent Premium, the Premium family. Just gotta clean this windshield up. Baby, extra premium. Just a little touch. Just a little touch. It's not in your face, but it's there. It's pretty good. So just make sure you're good on the corners here and this bend right here. Just be careful applying. Just work the vinyl through. It's a very good vinyl they gave me, that they provide, and then just take your time. It's gonna look good. So there it is, guys. Enjoy. There you go, guys. Taillight overlays done by Premium Auto Styling.